The 2017 GMC Acadia's infotainment system is notorious for multiple recurring problems that frustrate owners. These issues affect the IntelliLink platform and can significantly impact your driving experience. These problems manifest in several ways. You might experience a black screen on startup, complete audio failure, an unresponsive touchscreen, random system freezing, or Bluetooth connectivity issues. These symptoms typically result from software corruption, hardware component failures, electrical connection problems, or temperature sensitivity issues that affect the system's stability. The first troubleshooting step is a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then wait 2 minutes before restarting your vehicle. This resolves about 40% of temporary software issues. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it and allow the system to reinitialize. This method has about a 60% success rate for software-related problems. Finally, inspect the fuses in your engine compartment. Check fuse F42 for the radio and fuse F31 for the infotainment system. Replace any blown fuses, as electrical surges can cause these components to fail. These three immediate solutions can resolve many common infotainment issues in your 2017 GMC Acadia. Try them in order for the best chance of success. For persistent infotainment issues, professional software updates offer the most reliable long-term solution. GM Technical Service Bulletin number 18-NA355 provides the latest firmware version 23.4.0. When software updates aren't sufficient, hardware replacement becomes necessary. There are 3 main replacement options, each with different cost ranges depending on the extent of the problem. Prevention is always better than repair. 4 key strategies can significantly reduce the likelihood of future infotainment problems and extend your system's lifespan. As a final option, consider alternative solutions. Aftermarket Android-based replacements cost between $300 and $800, while smartphone integration can bypass the built-in system entirely.